Hey everyone guys, welcome to the channel TechUnbox Pro. Today we are checking out the exciting new TECNO Spark 60 and seeing what makes this smartphone interesting for mobile users in 2026. At first look, the TECNO Spark 60 delivers a modern and premium appearance. The body design feels clean and stylish while maintaining a practical everyday experience. The phone gives an impressive visual identity that stands out in the budget smartphone category. Moving to the display experience, TECNO focuses on creating a smooth and enjoyable viewing experience. Whether you enjoy watching videos, scrolling social media, browsing websites, or gaming, the overall experience feels responsive and comfortable. Now let's talk about performance. Smartphones today are expected to handle multitasking efficiently and deliver smooth daily usage. The TECNO Spark 60 aims to offer balanced performance for normal users who want speed, stability, and reliable app handling. For camera lovers, this device also brings attention to mobile photography. The camera setup is designed for capturing daily moments, outdoor scenes, portraits, and social media content. Daylight photography can look detailed while software optimization helps improve the overall image experience. Battery life remains one of the biggest priorities for smartphone users, and the TECNO Spark 60 focuses on giving users longer usage throughout the day. Whether you watch content, use social apps, or enjoy gaming sessions, battery optimization continues to be an important part of the experience. The software experience also plays a major role. Clean navigation and easy usability help users enjoy their devices more comfortably without unnecessary complications. Overall, TECNO Spark 60 enters the smartphone market with a combination of modern looks, balanced daily performance, camera capability, and battery efficiency. Now I want to hear from you. Would you buy the TECNO Spark 60 or choose another smartphone in 2026? Drop your opinion in the comments below. Down finger. If you enjoyed this video and want more smartphone content, don't forget to thumbs up, like, speech balloon comment, bell subscribe, loudspeaker share, and turn on notifications so you never miss upcoming uploads on TechUnbox Pro. AI-generated content notice. This video may include AI-assisted visual or editing elements for presentation purposes only. All opinions and presentation are created for content and informational use. See you in the next video on TechUnbox Pro Rocket.